Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily play music through Bluetooth on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the vehicle settings. From here, we want to scroll down until we see device connection almost at the bottom. And here we have the Bluetooth. As you guys can see, it says that I am not connected. But here you want to select your phone. If your phone is supporting Android Auto and Android CarPlay, then pretty much it will say that your phone is not connected, but once you click on the CarPlay, it will be here. So we know that we have the connection. Now, what we can do, we can go over here and we can check the music. As you guys can see, we are not connected, but on my phone right here, we can see that I am connected into the XPeng motor. So we got it. And now what we can do is we can play some NCS. And as you guys can see, there is sound, there's everything, so it works just fine. And that's how you guys can play the Bluetooth. Now, if you're not using CarPlay, if you prefer using the normal maps and normal Bluetooth and etc., you will see it. But if your phone automatically connects to CarPlay, then that's what basically happens. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.